Welcome to this demo for Conversely. Now I'm going to show you the power of Conversely and why it's going to benefit everybody that uses it. So I'm here at the dashboard, and as you can see, we have templates, avatars. Now avatars is the ability to put in questions and save them so that you don't have to keep answering the same questions over and over again. Account, this is a very, very simple dashboard, but I'm going to show you the power of just how amazing this app is. So you get to the dashboard, you get to choose, you see the actual template category, you see how many visitors you have, you see how many subscribers. Now you have the ability to either download this, preview it, or you can delete it or edit. And so you have the ability to just choose a regular landing page if you want, so you don't have to, answer the questions and get automated copy generated for you, or you can just choose a smart page. So I'm going to go in here and choose what we call a smart page. And as you can see, we have tons of templates in here. So we have everything from real estate to coaching templates to live event templates to sales pages to JV pages, to webinar pages with countdown timers. The list goes on. Thank you pages, attorney pages, health pages, so many different types of pages. I'm going to show you an example of how powerful Conversely is and why will save your customers a lot of time and headaches. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose use the new template. We're just going to name it test template here. Just going to go ahead and name that and push start building. Now, each template has its own set of questions so that it could create the most powerful headlines, bullet points, everything. It fills in all the copy for your customers so they don't have to guess anymore. And we also have training that's going to show them how to answer the questions the best way. So as you can see, it's asking, what's the name of your coaching program? I filled in the answer. Who is your avatar? What's the number one biggest benefit that your avatar will experience? What are some testimonials that they have? What are some call to actions that you want to offer? And just all these different questions. So these are already filled in. So I'm going to go ahead and choose edit your page and watch the absolute amazing, mind-blowing power of Conversely. And so what's going to happen is it's building the page, and it's going to go ahead and open up the editor. And as you can see, this is a really, really cool editor. And so as you can see, all the copy is filled in, apply for Justin's unique coaching program, and it fills in all of the questions, all the testimonials. So all I have to do is pretty much go in here and, swap out some pictures. It takes me literally just, not that long, like literally just a few minutes. And so as you can see here, I can swap out the video. If I choose this, all I have to do is go ahead and put in the link to the video if I wanted to, and I can publish this page. Now, a few other features. Again, we integrate with pretty much everybody from Aweber to MailChimp to GetResponse to Infusionsoft to Entreport to GoToWebinar. The list goes on. We pretty much integrate with everyone. And so if you wanted to go ahead and publish this page, you could, but I want to show you a couple other features which are really, really cool. So if you go here, you can actually see I can highlight this. I can actually change the size of this if I wanted to. So I'm going to go in here and I could change the size. So I'll go ahead and just choose that. And then as you can see, we have something called a copy engine. Okay. Now the copy engine is really, really cool because the copy engine allows you to go ahead and correct different wordings. Okay. You can also correct grammar issues if you wanted to and swap out other words. So here's just an example. I'm going to press amazing. And as you can see, I could swap out amazing for another copy words. I could swap it out for incredible, which is really, really cool. No other tool in the market actually does that. So now I'm done. Literally, it's taking me about 5 minutes. I have a done landing page that I can start to promote. I'm just going to go ahead and hit publish. And, when I hit the publish button, I have a unique URL that I can start to promote if I wanted to, or I could go ahead and change the page URL, or I can go ahead and, we integrate with WordPress, or I could download the HTML file if I wanted to. And that is how amazing and simple